Hey guys, welcome back to the Skills with Arlo channel. This week's video is going to be a little different because it's not going to be structured very well. But so on Thursday, I went golfing for the first time with some friends. And as you can imagine, golf being a very technical sport, I was quite awful at it the first time. So this is just all the little videos that I got while we were there. So we went to the Marshall Canyon golf course. It was very nice. And so the people that were there that actually sort of knew what they were doing was Kieran, who used to golf like 2 years ago, and Skylar, who actually still golfs. But as you can see from the first videos, none of us are very good. This shot, while not looking bad, kind of just went flat. That one was actually fairly decent. And I think the biggest thing is not that every single one of my golf shots at the beginning was terrible. No, the ones at the end. All the ones at the end were great, but mostly that was just like inconsistent with my shots. Like that one was pretty close to the beginning, and it was decent. Like it was on the fairway, didn't go very far. There was also a bunch of deer there, which was cool. And then my putting was okay. It was not great. You can see from this brilliant video, the camera was right behind the hole. So the hole is right in front here. Do one shot. Pretty bad. Another shot, too short again, and then I tap it in. So I think that was onto the green in 5 and then 3 to putt. So not very good. It was a pretty nice shot by Fisher. I think this shot was okay. Yeah, so it still went right a bit. I'm still learning how to aim it, how to not slice the ball. It seems like pretty random when I slice the ball. I think my favorite part of golfing right now is wedging it onto the green from close.
The shot was also pretty good.
The shot was actually going pretty well. I had a good first drive. I hit it over the hill. And I had to get it over the sand pit, which I believe I did successfully right there. And once we're on the green, this was actually a really good putt, which I'm sad I didn't go in. But so that round, I actually only finished a double bogey, which might have been my best one. So I'll take it, but it wasn't great. So here, nice little swing right there. So this is the last hole in the front 9. It was a big left-hand curve one, and all of us kind of just sliced our balls into the right side, into the trees and stuff. So Kieran goes up, slices into the trees. I come up and I completely mess up my drive, and so I'm not gonna lie, I tried it again because I wasn't happy with it, and I sliced into the trees. So that was on hole 10 right there. It was fairly straight, fairly decent. It's a little thumbs up. This one I struggled with. It's a gap hole, a ravine hole, and it kept slicing right, so I gave up on it. This one's a ravine that I did better on. Got over it this time. Here's Skylar, who's the best golfer in the group. Very, very professional. Steps up, bop, and it's over the ravine. I also got mine over the ravine.
Yeah, pretty good. Went straight.
And so I didn't film all of it because I feel like that was taken away from the fun. There's more deer. I like them. They're cute. This one, yeah, so I shot from the ravine and came over here, pretty close to the hole actually. So I messed up the first shot actually, but we don't talk about that. And then yeah, that one it looks like it went way far right, but actually kind of just went into the ravine. And then this one, it looks like it slices right into the trees, but I don't know what happened. It got a lucky bounce, I think. And it actually ended up pretty close to the green. So you can see there's the ball, there's the green, so I was pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's going to be it for this week. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.